Onye arụrụ ana na-agba ọsọ mgbe onwe ife na-achụ ya. Mgbe ife bido chụwa ọsọ, you will have no place to hide and you will have no place to run to. Oke n'ọsọ ngwere n'ọsọ. Ebidokwa na delete post and post and delete and post and delete. Ebidokwa na. Remember that the history of this posting and deleting of videos started when the FBI of Facebook and the local government chairman fought out with the audio pioneer. They started making posts and they started deleting. They started making video and they started deleting. You cannot hunt what you cannot buy. That is wisdom. You cannot hunt what you cannot buy. Rather, I would have advised you to simply walk away. This idea of making a video, then later screenshotting what Ogechi posted and saying it is Ogechi who said this and that, it is her word. One day, broadcast I made yesterday night to be very clear and simple. You either come and refute that claim, except if you have evidence. If you have evidence, prepare your evidence. You don't even need to refute anything. You don't need to put a disclaimer on what you said. You have evidence. You can back it up. When the time comes, simply present the evidence. But if you don't have the evidence, for your own good and for the sake of your own good, you better come and tell people the truth. The truth will set you free. And when you place you on a payroll and you know it, you did everything you did out of your own selfish interest. I wouldn't know if it's selfish or if it's just an interest. But the fact is that what you thought that would happen did not happen. And it was just you being over ambitious. Now, at the end of the day, you thought when you do this, you can actually get these people to the table to discuss. But when you did it, you found out that they did not invite you to the table. You went as far as presenting a problem about your page. Still, these people are not willing to call you to the table to discuss. You could have simply walked away. You cannot change that fact. You cannot change that fact. Now, the voice note, the screenshot you posted. What can you tell the origin of that screenshot? That when you fall that with the audio pioneer, as you people always refer to him. As you people always refer to him, you were claiming that no one will anything he benefited from him. Blah 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 blah. No, they use of people. Now, that was what brought about him saying that I did this for you. I help you here. This is what I did for you. I did all these things for you. So, if I did all these things for you, why are you saying that I have not done anything for you or blah, 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 blah? Now, you said that everything he gave you was for the marketing of Zero Bitters. He said, no. What I gave you was to appreciate you. Yes, number one, for fighting for the body of Christ, not just Zion ministry. Because you package yourself as a devoted Christian who cannot stand to see people talk down on that faith he believes in. Now, Zion ministry being directly under attack by Nde Omekome, you decided to lend your voice. So him giving you money is appreciating you for the work you are doing for God. And the two, he has to, of course, give you something to appreciate you for the effort you are putting in the marketing of Zero Bitters. But you made it specifically to look like all the money he gave you was just a payment for marketing Zero Bitters. But he never contracted you officially to come and do this. He never contracted you officially. You were not signed. There was no official agreement. It was just you doing something that you are doing it for a friend, and it is just him appreciating you because he's appreciating a friend. It ends there. So that is the best clarity I can give to that money. Now, why Ogechi made that post was that Ogechi said, okay, Nesina 1 million because of a Zero Bitters. Now, what of 300,000 and other money? By the way, kole kampoye tua. Signed some of you for 650,000. So how can 1 million be given to you, not on an official basis, but just given to you to help to, you know, it doesn't make sense. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense, brother. It will make no sense. Yeah? The fact is that a friend in Atanabu nobi in Atanabu koseyanya. Ingratitude is a sin. You claim that all the money I could give you was the payment for marketing Zoro Beta, so that you cannot say thank you. Go away to justify by all your actions. That was why Ogechi said, no problem, this 1 million is because of Zoro Betas. 300,000 and the other ego who forgono. He spent over 600 to 700,000. He spent over 700,000 bailing you from police custody with other logistics involved. Was that also for Zoro Betas? That was what brought about that particular thing. Now, taking it to go and add it to Ifa Kukuru, now the moment of follow, now no ye produce mania. He started making friends with some content creators, giving them something in anticipation for the release of that product. Ifa Wifo Bunobi, he just said it. Go na yaba ho yaba. You never sat down to discuss with him. Or Ifo Bunobi, you didn't know what he was planning until he said it now. So why are you running away from the fact that Nikuluna now 1 million or so, no place under payroll to come and do a certain job for a particular ministry? My brother, if you don't have any evidence to back up that claim, you better apologize and withdraw that. This will be my own brotherly advice to you. You people are moving too much and faster in a more dangerous way. Withdraw your steps. I repeat again, even kuna program mmeno toto. Ebo unu roku ebe na ashoke. Mboka agba furmo mbiboloka, you will come back to come and rebuild the house. Imebisigon. If you don't have any evidence to back up what you said, of course you don't have any, because what you said never happened. I want you to withdraw that statement and tender an unreserved apology. It is my own advice to you, brother. If you don't do it, you will later find out that Izugo truly loves you. And that is why I've given you this advice. Making video and deleting video, it will not help you. The moment you drop a video, people is can record to go. Your video have to go everywhere. So whatever reason that you will delete that video, it is useless. I'm telling you, it is useless. I could say what he said, and it is very simple. Even if you want to hold him for what he said, he also gave you money. He appreciated with that money. He didn't even give you that money officially because of Zoro Bitas. So either ways, you are not proving anything. You are not proving anything. It was you who said something about being on a payroll and people carried the news. You knew that that thing never happened. Why are you running away now? You think talk is cheap. I have warned you people a long time. Leave Zion and leave Audio Pioneer alone and go on your own. You refused. You refused. Over to you. Kena kono, Marona block button not there, waiting to be activated. Dalona.